Welcome back to my vlog. I'm just finishing off my makeup. I'm back from Morocco. I went for 5 days for a little holiday with my girlfriends, and oh my god, it was like one of the best holidays ever. It was unexpected. A lot of the things that we did was unexpected, but I honestly had so much fun. Morocco is just such a beautiful city, well, Marrakesh, and it was just an experience. Well, it wasn't a great start to start with because the taxi driver at the airport basically conned us and charged us double of what he would normally charge, or what it should have been. And obviously, as 5 tourists, 5 girls who have never been to Marrakesh before, we didn't know, so we paid the price. And what he did was drop us off at the wrong side of town, and I'm not sure if he did that on purpose, whether there was a miscommunication, but as soon as we got out and he left, we realised we wasn't in the right part, and we actually felt very vulnerable because Marrakesh, I've heard a lot about Marrakesh. I've always been told before I went to not wear anything revealing, cover up, don't take any designer handbags, don't do anything too flashy, because it has a reputation of mugging and just general bad behaviour. So when we got out of the taxi, it was very daunting. We were surrounded by so many men catcalling us, and we were in our airport outfits. We didn't have any makeup on, we wasn't dressed up like for a night out, we wasn't showing any skin or anything, so we was dressed like quite normal, and there was still a lot of catcalling, and I'm not sure if it was racism or not, or whether it's just out of the ordinary for them to see 5 Chinese girls. So it did make us feel very uncomfortable and vulnerable, and we decided not to get another taxi to our riad. We decided to walk it just in case we got ripped off again, but obviously because we didn't know where we was going, if we got in a taxi they might charge us a stupid amount again. So we walked it. It was over an hour walk to the riad, but once we got into the riad we were so happy and relaxed, and the riad was absolutely beautiful. I have a little video clip of the room that we were in, so I'll show you. It was really beautiful, and we got to stay in the same room as well, those 5 of us, so that was a plus. We didn't want to be split up. And then we did a city tour. We went to visit a lot of souks, we went to visit galleries, went to the Saint Laurent gallery, which is in Marrakesh, and yeah, we went to the gardens. We did a lot in the first day, even though we were all very knackered, and it was so beautiful. And even just walking down the streets in Marrakesh and seeing children running around without any shoes on, people content and happy with not a lot or less than obviously that we have, it just honestly, sometimes I felt like tearing up, because seeing children like that, it was just like, it puts life into perspective, and it makes you realise how goddamn lucky we are. Like for Aiden, he can buy anything he wants, he eats anything he wants. If he wants to go out on a day out, he can go out on a day out. You know, we don't have any problems. And to see these children without any shoes on, living a very minimalist, simple life and being so happy, it just put things into perspective, and I am forever grateful. I think that's one of the reasons why I love this trip so much, because I am truly humbled by it. And we, not only that, but for the next few days we went on a tour. We went to the desert, and it was a 10-hour drive, so along the way we stopped at a lot of tourist spots and locations, so it wasn't a straight 10-hour drive. We stopped to have lunch, we stopped to visit places and listen to the people in the Berber language, and we got to see handmade Moroccan rugs, which were absolutely beautiful, but the prices were so expensive. Like, all of us wanted one, but they were just far too expensive. We went to the desert, we slept in the desert with minimal conditions. We only had a toilet outside, there wasn't any water, there wasn't a shower, and the little tent thing that we stayed in was dark and damp because it was raining for a little bit of a day, so things got a little bit damp, and I think that when you get to that point and that stage of getting to the tent after we've been sat on a bus for 10 hours and we've been doing a lot of different things, like we didn't care anymore. All I had was a bottle of mineral water, so I used that to brush my teeth, and we had wet wipes, so we just wiped ourselves down. And we didn't care about hair, we didn't care about makeup, we didn't care about our outfits. We just wanted to be warm, we just wanted to put layers on, because it was a little bit chilly out there, I'm not gonna lie. But the experience in itself was really humbling and life-changing. And yeah, so we went to the desert, we stayed there, we sat on the desert at night time, we stargazed. It was bloody amazing. Definitely a once in a lifetime experience. I'm pretty sure I might do that again, but probably not in Morocco. But yeah, Morocco was just so good and I loved it so much. I'm just gonna pop my lippy on. And we also met so many fantastic people. On our tour bus there was 5 Italian boys that we spent 3 days with, and they were so fun, and we just learned Italian. It was just nice to be around different people and different cultures and different backgrounds and meet new people. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna explore different options of holidays like that. I would definitely do it again, and I think that if I did it again I'll be so much more prepared. We wasn't that prepared for the desert. Like, I'm gonna be really honest, we didn't have a backpack to carry our things in. We had just a normal bag, like a hand carry bag, and it wasn't the best because we rode camels across the desert and we had to carry on our bags and everything. So if we was to do it again, I would definitely be more prepared and I'd know what to take, but obviously we have never done that, so we went in with a blind eye. And yeah, I'm just humbled by the whole experience. It was definitely a great experience. I'm just using the Peri Pera lip inks and using the Beauty People lip stain. This is one of the best lip stains, guys. This lip stain does not come off. Like, I've just put it on my fingers and I'm pretty sure this is not going to come off until tomorrow morning. Even though I'm going to bath Aiden, I'm going to do the dishes. It just doesn't come off. And I really wanted to talk to you guys about this. As you can see, it's really gross now. This is the Clear Fix Blemish Cushion. I talked about it in my last vlog, but I want to talk about it properly this time because this is the only thing I used in Morocco. I took a little bit of foundation in a contact lens container and I didn't use it at all. This, guys, this is what I have on now. It's medium to full coverage. It lasts all day long and it just looks perfect even after like 12 hours. It is bloody fantastic, and I can hands down say that this is one of the best cushions I have ever used. And of course the advantage is that it comes in a darker shade. A lot of cushion foundations don't come in a darker shade. I know that the one that I use Pony Effects and I use Laneige. The darkest colours are number 23, and even that is a little bit too light for me. So having a darker colour is such a plus. Even though it's dark, it's still a little bit too light for me. I've got bronzer on, but it is the darkest cushion foundation that I have ever tried. So yeah, I absolutely recommend that one so much. You will not be disappointed because I bloody love it. Today is a Friday and I'm going to put this setting down a bit because it's making me look really pale again. I'm out for dinner with my friends. I've just been getting ready. Little Aiden's going to his dad's, going to sleep at grandma's tonight, but he's going to miss you. Are you going to miss mummy? But yeah, this is my makeup and my hair. I've got my hair extensions in, so my hair's really long and I really like it. I really want long hair again, but naturally. I'm wearing a leopard print vest. I've had this for years. A blazer and this very thick fur gilet, which was from Topshop last year. I'm just going to put it on top to keep me warm. Just got black jeans on and some black boots because we're going to have dinner in Brick Lane and then we're going to have drinks in Shoreditch. So Shoreditch isn't too dressed up. It's kind of like a casual kind of night out, not night out, but like cocktail drinks kind of place. So I'm not even dressed up. This is like something that I would just wear for dinner anyways. Ugh, Mummy can't speak. Mummy can't speak. Should we get going? You're really tired, aren't you? Are you tired? Did you have a nap today? You haven't napped all day. It's like 5 PM and he hasn't napped all day. Today's casual outfit is this t-shirt which I've had forever, but it's so comfy. It's from Brandy Melville and it says good vibes on here. Gap jeans. Gap are doing an amazing sale right now. I've just ordered another 2 pairs of jeans for under £30. It's really good, really good. I would highly suggest checking out Gap now for jeans. These are from Gap. And they're so comfy and it's the perfect blue wash as well. And I have white Nike Air Forces on just because I'm going to be like carrying furniture. And being in IKEA, I have this scarf one which is from And Other Stories. I think every single year they come out with the same scarf. So I think you can still get it because I got it last year. It was about £50. This jacket, which was in one of my hauls, is by Zara. It's like this fake suede long, kind of like a duster cut, but at the same time it looks like a trench as well. And it's got little handcuff details and it's just a really nice long black jacket. I really like this jacket. It's really versatile and I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it this autumn. Necklace as usual, it's from Cinco Store. Earrings as usual from Topshop. Really love these. I've got quite a few chunky gold earrings for this season, but these are my go-tos, my favourite ones. Face as before, hair just up because can't really be bothered today. And yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today. And then for my bag, I'm just going to carry my Mansa Gabrielle one, my little bucket bag, which is there hanging on the door. It's been my go-to everyday bag, so yeah. That's what I'm wearing today. Did you draw Mummy today? Yay! We're just trying to get out of the car park, but someone's blocked us in. So we're just having to wait for them to pick up their baby, Amaya. Is that a sweetie?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Yummy. I'm sorry, we got too hungry, but we basically have ordered quite a lot. What are you eating, Aiden? Jelly. Jelly with meatballs and chips. We've got a lot of fish and chips, so he can have some fish. He said he wanted garlic bread as well, and he wanted chocolate cake. And I have meatballs and my free IKEA tea. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You can eat your meatballs. Put that. Turn it around. Turn it around. Like that. Yep. You can use that one to eat your meatballs. Go. Okay. Which one? Take your pick. It's a little bit. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Show them what you've chosen. Out of everything, he wants this. This is the bed that I want to buy him. It's kind of like a small single bed, so it's not exactly a toddler bed. It's basically got a bed on top and then you pull it out and there's another bed at the bottom. And then right at the bottom there's 2 drawers. So that's going to be really handy for when his little friends come round or something like that. Or even just when my parents come down, they'll have an extra bed to sleep. And the storage at the bottom, so that's all good. This is making me so happy. All the Christmas stuff. What does Father Christmas do? Ho ho ho. All of this Christmas stuff is making me so happy. Do you like that train? Aiden just pointed this out to me. I was like, that's pretty. Then I looked at the price and I was just like, I'm not paying £30 for this because it's going to go in a bin after Christmas. You like it? Okay, we'll come here next time and have a look at it again. And yeah, he's really scared of all the Halloween stuff. He's not having it. He was like, I'm going to look at the Christmas stuff. Aiden, look, who's that? Who's that? Ho, ho, ho.
Mommy, look.
Look, go on then. Wow. You know when I say Christmas is for kids?
Look, King.
This is exactly why.
Look.
Is it a train?
Mommy.
Wow, snow.
Mommy.
What's this?
Mommy. Mommy. I can get
Train.
Mommy. I can get
Oh yes, that's a train, outdoor train. Aiden's asleep in my car, so this is what I'm doing. I started Money Heist on Friday. I'm now on season 2. It's been 3 days. Just got home and I'm going to try and put this together. In case you're wondering, this is the desk that I've got. It was only £30, which I'm going to put there because that is the only place I have space. Oh, bless me. Have you had your bath? Nice and clean? Do you want to help Mummy to put this together? Do you want to help Mummy or are you going to be trouble?
Oh, Mommy.
Yes?
Oh, no.
Mẫu Mummy sức sai à.
Mommy, you help Mommy.
Help Mummy. Okay.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off. I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged. Your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste.
Guys, this is what the desk looks like, all put together. Finally had somewhere to do my makeup this morning.
Cocoa biscuit.
Chocolate biscuit.
Yeah.
Finally had somewhere to do my makeup this morning instead of sitting on the floor.
Mommy.
And it feels...
Mommy.
Mummy, I know, Mummy bought you it. And it feels so good to be able to sit down and have somewhere to do my makeup. Aiden's just tidied up, put all of his toys here. This is not where it belongs, right?
Yeah.
Not there, in the box, in your toy box.
Oh, no.
And then Coffee's bed is just down here, so she can sit next to me when I'm sat at the table. She can sit next to my feet. And then, yeah, I don't want to overcrowd this area too much. I think once I've gotten ready, all of this is going to go. I need to get some sort of like basket or something to put my makeup and hair tools in. Because I just want this desktop to be clear. Only have my laptop and my phone at all times. And just so it's more minimal. Over here, this is where the chair used to be.
Hello, Mama.
Hello. And I've just put my shoes and a bit of shopping there right now. Got a couple of bags. That's my everyday bag that I've been using all the time. And yes?
Let Emma go.
You must come in. And if you want to know what's in my bag, realistically, when you have a child, there's an apple, there's receipts. I'm pretty sure there's biscuits in there. Yep, there's a biscuit.
Apple.
Yep, it's just chaos in there. Also tidied up this area, so there's not a lot of junk on it anymore. And all I have is like perfumes, a candle, some skincare products, although most of my skincare has now migrated into my bathroom. Candles, Daniel Wellington watch, which I always wear.
Papa.
Thank you. This is a postcard that I got from Marrakesh. We went to the Saint Laurent Museum and it's got my birth year on. And then yeah, just some photos.